Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export a GNSS survey report as a CSV. So this is going to be a report of all of the points you've shot with your GPS inside of the project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to my Reports tab, the fourth one on the left. And within my Reports tab, I'm going to make sure that my report type is set to GNSS Survey Report, CSV. I'm going to have that selected. You can see I have a file name, which is the name of the project and the date. And then you can see as I scroll down, I have every conceivable option I'd ever want with that point. I've got northing, easting, latitude, longitude, error, reference, anything I'd want that is associated with this antenna I can get. So if you want to eliminate them, simply click the X and that will remove it from your report. There's a whole 64 different options that you can see as I scroll down here. If I leave them all checked, I'm going to have them all on my report. And once I scroll to the bottom here, you can see that I've got everything enabled. So I'm going to click on Create. You're going to see I already created a file before this video began. I'm going to hit yes. I want to overwrite that file. And then you can see if my export has been done successfully, I get a GNSS survey report created and then the location of the file. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you export a GNSS survey report CSV from Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I will please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.